Okay. Let's just make sure we are live. Okay. It's just perfect. Good morning, we're trading live. Come join me. Good morning, we're trading live. Come join me. I'm doing a million things at once right now. I am posting here, making my son sweet potato for the first time he's gonna have. I've already done a million things. Okay. And here we are, ready to go. Okay. iPad. Okay. So I took a trade on Friday. If you're new here, hi, my name is Mari. I am a stay-at-home mom. I also own a coaching business with my husband where I do more of the behind-the-scenes work. So I do that. And I am aspiring to be a full-time, consistently profitable day trader. I've made profits in the past, withdrawn, lost it, you know, all the things. So right now I'm on a path to be consistently profitable to make this a long-term career. And so I have some rules set for myself that are some discipline rules that I like to follow in order to keep me in check because I can't trust myself. So my rules are pray before the charts, one trade a day, cannot close early. So it goes to stop loss or TP. Trading hours are 9:30 to 11 a.m. One strategy, one instrument, one time frame, so MES. Supply and demand is what I trade, and the time frame is the 5-minute time frame. And max daily loss, this is old, it's 100 now, is 100. I'm trading with a $500 account. I do daily withdrawals where I will withdraw, if I make anything above 500, I will withdraw 70% of it and reinvest 30% of it because I'm trying to just secure profits right now and really like pay myself. And I think that that's kind of been helping with my psychology. But if my account falls below 500, then I just keep the balance, keep trading until my account goes above 500. I don't withdraw anything. So right now I've had a few losses. So my account is at 425. I did take a loss on Friday. That was a $40 loss. And the only rule I broke for that one was that it was, I think I took the trade around like 12:30 and it was, so it was past my trading hours, but it was according to my plan and for a setup that I was waiting for. So I was curious to see if it would play out. It didn't play out. It was a small loss, so it's okay. But yeah, so today, let's go ahead and look at the charts. I don't know why this is not here anymore, but put that there. I trade MES usually only. So it broke, this is the daily. It's been trading in this range for quite a while now. It broke this downward trend line on Friday after bouncing from this support area. So it's looking pretty good to the upside. I'm thinking that this little gap will probably want to fill today. We'll see. What I thought was weird though was that NQ looked totally different, if I'm not mistaken, than MES. Low key, want to take off these. Where the heck? Okay, there it is. Yeah, that just helps me look at the screen a little bit better. Okay. So it's approaching this 4 hour. This 1 hour high. Broke this 1 hour high, came back down, and then gapped up. See how it came? This was Friday's 1 hour candle, last 1 hour candle. So it was red, and then it came up and gapped up over the weekend. That's crazy. So it came from all the way down here, all the way up here. And now it's rejecting at this 1 hour, which I think it's definitely going to come down and gap fill this gap. It's 9:31, market just opened. I'm going to be patient today because I do think it's an uptrend. However, I don't like that it's rejecting up here, hanging out up here, and I don't like that it's going to have to gap fill, or that I believe it will gap fill. So I will just be patient today, waiting for clear direction. Turn this back on. So that was the 1 hour high. So the 1 hour high needs to break right now is this one in order for it to convince me that it's going up. It just broke this 1 hour low, or I'm sorry, this 5 minute low. What's the 1 hour low? Yeah, so it's the 1 hour low. This is the gap. Let's change the color of that so we don't get confused. Let's make it a fun color. Blue. So I don't trade NQ, but I do like to look at it to see what's going on and see like how it's differing from MES. So this one technically just broke a down trend line as well. big red candle and an equally big green candle. So yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna be patient today. What's up, Rick? Good morning. Oh, I can't chat. I'm whispering because Levi is sleeping in the next room. So let's see. I would like for it to fill the gap and then come back up. That would be great. And I feel like there's going to be a lot of orders sitting here because of this sell-off right before it gapped up. Yeah, right before Asian opened. I saw Spider-Man. I thought it was good. It was not my favorite, but it was good. Very good. I just broke that 1 hour high. But then that means that this would be our supply zone. This big red candle, it's way too big. So we'll see what happens. We'll see Wednesday, probably avoiding spoilers. Good thing you told me that, so I don't say anything. This is a 2-minute demand zone. I'm just curious to see how it reacts. I've been playing with the idea of taking my entries on a lower time frame, but we'll see. Not planning on doing that right now. Yeah, I think it could have potential to come at the very least all the way up to this top of the range. It's a quiet stream today, guys. I am trying to find my energy. I'm tired. But we can always pull out our Bible. See what we get today. Vamos a ver lo que va a pasar. It's tapping into that 5-minute supply zone. Demand zone, not supply zone. So I tapped that pretty beautifully. Now we could take an entry if we are convinced that this is going to the upside, which I'm not. Only because I feel like it's gonna wanna come down and fill the gap before it takes a move up. And I feel like there's a lot of orders down here. Yeah, a lot of orders trapped. So I think that price is gonna come down here to pick up these orders. Maybe today, maybe not. But I'm just hesitant on taking anything honestly right now. And I'm curious. It's my first time seeing something like this since I've been day trading. So waking up and seeing a sell-off and then a gap up is pretty cool. And I've never seen it before, so I don't know how price is going to react to those levels. Or to that. So we'll see. Aw, guys, I reached 100 subscribers on YouTube. I just realized. That's awesome. Yay, I'm so excited. That's awesome. 100 people subscribe to my channel. Freaking amazing. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for subscribing. What a milestone. So happy. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, everybody, for supporting. Mix it and mix it and mix it and mix it. Oh my goodness. Also, I feel like because content has kind of become a job for me, which is a job that I enjoy. I definitely enjoy. It's a job that doesn't pay me yet. But because content has, yes, road to 1K, let's go, Rick, for sure. But because content has become kind of like a job, like on the weekends, I just don't post at all. And I realize I'm like, oh my gosh, I have not been posting on my Instagram at all. And normally I post a lot on my stories. And I'm like, you know what? I think it's okay to take the weekend off from my job. And that way I don't feel like I'm tied to content all the time, you know? And then I just, like, I'll still record stuff on my phone, but I'll just save it. And I don't feel like any pressure. Not that I have any pressure of posting or anything, but obviously if I want to make this, you know, a stream of income, then I have to be consistent. But I think that will help with it not feeling like it's consuming me, you know, and taking over. So we'll see. And then what I do, I think I'm just gonna like post everything that happened on the weekend today. Like I'll just do a little recap. But it's nice to protect your... Okay, so I like this. I just don't know what the risk is because I didn't get in. So it's break of the candle entry. And then the stop would be the same candle. I kind of entered a little late and impulsively, not gonna lie. So this is a $40 stop. $8 points. I don't like that I took this. I don't like that I took this at all. Like, why did I take this? Because it definitely should have been... I really feel like it's gonna come back down and gap fill. Entered impulsively. Didn't wait for clear direction. I wasn't 100% convinced. And if so, if there are trapped sellers down there, then what happens, right? Like, will it make it Will it make it go all the way down here and then go pick the move back up? Or will it create a big move down? We did not pray, guys. Oh, I pulled out my Bible and I did not pray before I took a trade. That's not good. That's unacceptable. I was sitting here for so long. I could have prayed. Let me take this screenshot really quick. Dang, I didn't even move my stop up, y'all. You be careful. So okay, we're about to hit 1R. This is gonna be 1R. And then this is 2. So we are going to secure 1R. Basically, once it passes 1R, I'm gonna put my stop there. I'm not playing any games. I'm gonna secure 1R if I get 1R. If I get more, great. If it stops me out immediately after I get 1R, I'm okay with it. I just need to take my base hit right now. If it doesn't give me 1R, that would be freaking so funny. Technically hasn't given it to me yet. All right, there we go. Oh, I said I was gonna move it. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna move it to break even. How about that? That makes me feel better. And then once it moves up a little more, I will try to get the 1R. Fuck, you see? Oh, I did not mean to curse. My bad. I like it. It's just like puttering. All right, I think I'm gonna manually close out of this one. Yeah. Okay, I got a little bit more than 1R. I'm okay with it. I know what I could have done better, definitely could have done better, is hold, right? I've already secured 1R. I could have brought my stop up to just break even, and this would have been a risk-free, absolutely free trade, and just let it play out to see how much I can actually get out of the market. Completely free, like not risking anything. So that could have been the move, and that should be the move moving forward. But just because of where I'm at right now, and because I've been losing mentally, I need a win. I need a win, and I need to be able to walk away from the charts, you know, at a decent time and not sit here thinking about it over and over. So hindsight, obviously, I definitely wish I would have been holding to 2R, because I need to get 2R in order to grow my account, because these $40 wins are not gonna, they're gonna move the needle, but just not, you know, by a lot. It's gonna take time. That's what it is. It's just gonna take time. And I either have to be okay with it taking time and just taking the $40 wins, or I need to hold for longer moves, for bigger moves like this one, where I'm at least getting 2R out of the position. Which I'm kicking myself right now, because I definitely, I know I could have gotten 2R, but I was just so scared that it was gonna go against me that I didn't take it. But it's okay. I'm grateful. This was a win. This was a win. We didn't pray before, but we'll pray right now. Thank you, Jesus, for the discernment on this trade, Lord. Thank you for the patience, God. Thank you, even though I took it a little bit impulsively, just that it worked out, Lord. I'm grateful for the win. I'm grateful that I got something out of the markets today. I pray for continued patience, Father, to be able to trust and follow my plan, and be able to really let it run as much as possible in the future, Father. So I just thank you for today. I thank you for the win. I thank you for a good start to the week. I'm grateful. In your name I pray. Amen. Cool. I feel good. Honestly, I feel good. And work day is done, at least the trading. I have a lot to do this week, so this is a blessing. This is a blessing. My son is sleeping, so that means maybe I could get some things done. I'm gonna close the charts, because if I keep looking and it goes in my direction, I will be a little upset. Okay. The mental side of crazy. Yeah. How am I second guessing a win? Like, I'm over here like, it's just crazy. Like, we'll win and then we'll be like, oh, but it could have been this, but it could have been that. It should have been this, blah, blah, blah. Like, and I get it, because I know that I probably should have held at least just, but I know where I'm at right now mentally, that it's just not where I'm at. I was to a point where I was learning this scale and doing it successfully, but I unfortunately lost that privilege because I went on tilt. So now it's just securing the base hit, being happy about it, and walking away. We're not taking another trade. We're following our rules. We are gonna do good. I could have waited for 20. It's okay. It's okay. I have to walk away. I have to walk away. $45, whatever. That was the loss from Friday, so that's okay. That brings me back up. I'm not going to chase the market anymore. It is what it is. Thank you guys for watching. Today was a super short stream. A win. Grateful for the win. Grateful for the win. Also learned a lesson, which is great, that I could just be more patient and hold for my position to play out, but it worked out. I'm grateful for the win. Now I'm going to go do chores and all the things I have to do. So thank you guys for watching. Be back tomorrow. Bye, Rick.